The legal battle over the implementation of the Finance Act 2023 is far from over.
Oh, the row is now headed to the highest court in the land, with Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah expected to file an appeal against an appellate court's ruling that lifted the injunction preventing the implementation of the Finance Act. Now, the appellate court temporarily lifted conservatory orders barring the implementation of the act on Friday, clearing the way for the government to implement taxes that had been put on hold following the suspension of the law. Martin Munene with more.
The court thinks that only people who pay taxes in this country are people who are on payrolls. No. A big chunk of, I think the larger chunk of Kenya's tax regime is consumption. You buy a piece of bread, you pay tax. You board a matatu, you pay tax. You do a border, you pay tax, and all those kind of things. You can't recover that money. And the court did not establish any basis whatsoever for saying that the taxes should be imposed. The fact of the matter is that there's no budget that measures up to the Constitution, which was brought before Parliament and which Parliament passed. The court cannot ignore those kind of things and just play around with English. So we're moving to the Supreme Court to determine some of these things and see whether the court had the capacity to lift orders which had been put by another court to protect its proceedings.